It's Friday, June 26th. Oh, I put that kickstand extender. Looks pretty lame. I think I'm gonna take it off. It also doesn't really fit that well. So it's June 26, 2020, about 7:35 maybe. Heading to work. What the hell? Oh, stopped like something was blocking the sensor. Wait for this car to get out. So, yesterday I'm on my way home, and I'm getting off the freeway, Santa Rosa Road, where I usually get off. Then I come up to El Camino Real, where I make a right. And then you come down about 100 yards to my condos here. Pretty short distance, maybe a little more than 100 yards. Maybe it's less than a quarter mile, I know that. So anyways, I pull in my driveway and I get off my bike and I turn around and a cop rolls up behind me and says, "You need to slow down on your bike." And then he just goes ahead, turns around and leaves. Okay, just for future reference, he was hiding right here next to Garcia's. He was back there a little bit. So he comes out right here. So evidently I was speeding from this point here where I turned right to where I went past him. I didn't know he was there until I watched the video a couple times. I finally caught him out of the corner of my eye. So at first I'm like, oh, that's a nice cool cop, just gives me a warning. But then I go in and watch the video. I wasn't speeding. When I passed him, I was right about 35. Now I would have been out of his line of sight at his radar at about 35. But as soon as I hit 40 miles an hour, I let off the gas and put my signal on and went into the turn lane. Now the speed limit there is 40 miles an hour. At most, I kept pausing the video, it may have gotten close to 41 miles an hour, but when I went past him, I was probably doing 35, a little less. So at first I thought, oh, being a cool cop, not going to give me a ticket, just give me a warning. But then I was like, no, I wasn't even speeding. I started thinking about it, and I'm like, I usually don't, I mean, I kind of get on a little bit, but I don't peel out. I'm not doing a wheelie. I know the exhaust is loud, and I think that's what grabs their attention more than anything. But I literally turned right there, went up the street, let off the throttle, put my signal on. I'm gonna try to put the videos together so you can see. But it's like, man, I can see if you're gonna follow me to see if I start speeding, maybe, but I wasn't speeding. So I hit 40 miles an hour and I let off the throttle and got into the middle little turn thingy there to turn into my condos. So, oh well. And the neighbor across the street goes, "Is he talking to me?" I was like, no, I think he was talking to me. And I didn't go slow enough. So I don't know if that's BS, but that's from a Harley tech. Supposedly, that's something the engineers did. They played with for a few years. Who's this guy? Oh, great. Got your car in the way, Corey. Okay. I think me.